Hello, June. Happy Thursday. June is here. Summer has arrived, bringing bright sunshine, cheerful smiles, and countless wonderful experiences for our baby shark tanks. Summer is the season of exciting field trips, creative workshops, fun learning adventures, and unforgettable childhood memories. Summer is also the season of festivals at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, filled with special events, exciting activities, and joyful moments every day. Happy Thursday, everyone! What exciting adventures are waiting for our baby shark tanks this June? English learning, energetic dance kid sessions, fascinating science experiments, creative art activities, outdoor adventures, and many more wonderful experiences. Every day at school is a happy day, and every experience is a new step in a child's growth journey. Special announcement: June is also enrollment season 2026. We warmly welcome new families to join the Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool community, where children learn, play, explore, and grow in a loving, safe, and happy environment. Dear parents, which summer activity are you most excited for your child to experience? Please comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag #MamNanBabirk, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Hellijun, hashtag Happy Thursday, hashtag Summer Festival, hashtag Summer Fun, hashtag Enrollment 2026, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.